I'm Jim Conroy. I'm the Tree Whisperer. I heal sick and declining trees by helping the trees repair their internal functionality, all those inner parts inside of a tree. I help them heal that so that they have a path to healing and go on and grow and be healthy. So what the trees want to do, they gave me a message. And I worked on several of these. I'm with Trelania, this beautiful live oak. I'm right near Delilah, another beautiful live oak, and there are live oaks surrounding us. And all of these live oaks want to work together. And they all want to be healthy and grow, first of all. Well, that's the first step. Yes, we want to be healthy and grow. But what do they really want to do? They want to band together as one and help all the trees and plants in the surrounding area to grow and thrive. And then those trees in turn can help others to grow and thrive. And all of the trees be what we call in universal rhythm. It's the heartbeat of the universe, all working together as one. And that's what they're all about. And then there's like a concentric circles that go out, because these trees start it, that goes out to some other trees, to some other trees, to some other trees, to some other trees. And everybody gets healthy, grows, their parts start to heal, their functions come back into sync and entrainment, right order, right timing and right order. And then you get corresponding parts, because as this one works, that one says, oh, well, I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'll be healthy. So it does the same thing. And then what you get is, as I said, you bring them all into universal rhythm in that heartbeat of the universe. And then what happens is they're all working together as one. And what happens is a biobalia happens, where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. So all the trees begin to benefit. And as more trees come into that, you see, it isn't just Trelania that gets healthy and Delilah that gets healthy. It's the whole group of trees gets healthy. The whole community of trees gets healthy. And then that expands, and that biobalia expands, that whole greater than the sum of its parts expands, all in universal rhythm, all one, all working together, all helping each other to survive, be healthy, and grow. And that's what this is all about. And in that, they can do what they want to do. It's to be healthy, grow, but also they want to serve humanity. Because humanity has a piece in this too. You know, they bring oxygen to humanity, and then humanity brings the carbon dioxide to them. And so it's a two-way street, and people have an opportunity to really participate in that two-way street. If they would just, when they're walking with the trees, be with the trees, don't just take from the trees, but also give back to the trees. One of the ways to give back is just by pure love. And what you got to understand is the trees are energy, and humans are energy. And those energies can kind of like interconnect, okay? And that helps the trees, and it helps the humans. It's a mutual exchange. But also there's things people can do to help the trees. And one of the things you can always say to people, to the trees, people can say is 8 words. Make more food, drive and clear circulation, and grow. And that's something people can say to the trees just as they're walking along. And they're given that, and that's sending the message to the trees that I'm on your side. Humanity is on your side, trying to help you out, thrive and grow, so you can help us. We're all one. And again, it's that biobalia that happens, not just now with the trees, but now with the whole ecosystem, including humanity. So you get that biobalia, whole greater than the sum of its parts, with humanity and the whole ecosystem. So that's what the opportunity is here. Everybody thrives, everybody grows, all one, all connected. Thank you very much. I'm the Tree Whisperer. I heal sick and declining trees by repairing the internal functionality of trees.
I'm Basia Alexander, intuitive interspecies communicator, nature communicator.